For my dad for Christmas this year, I really wanted to try and do something special. I've made him the maps in the past of all the different places that he's lived and a few different other cool things like that. But for this one, I figured we would go IU themed, especially since they had just won the national championship and he was absolutely pumped. I was looking online at some cool different pen blanks that I could find, and I came up with this awesome one from IU. I think this will be perfect and fit the bill. I honestly was hoping to get 2 pins out of this pen blank. I was able to get 2 out of it, but I messed up on turning the second one, or I was going to give one of these to my sister for Christmas as well. But we're going to have to do with my dad for now, and my sister I'll have to wait a little while. They both graduated from IU and absolutely love Bloomington, so this is right up their alley. Once I got the pen blank cut in half and the pen tube installed and trimmed up with my barrel trimmers, it was time to go ahead and hop on the lathe and get everything set up to turn this one down. As I was turning this one down, I just kept thinking that, it has sentimental value, but this one just doesn't look cool enough to me. I kept feeling like I needed to add a little bit or do something a little bit special for this one. So I kept on thinking of what I might be able to do, and I decided that I would look into dyeing it, but then I had another idea. I went ahead and grabbed my torch, and I hit the ends with the torch to just kind of blacken it a little bit and add a little bit of extra character to it. Then I got my trans tint dye and dyed the pen blank. I really love how it looked. It was still a little bit light until I went through and added the shellac, and that's when I think everything really came together. I went through it with some Brad's sanding paste and tung honey to really get it looking nice. Then I was able to add the pen kit that I picked up from Rockler to this pen to finish it off. You guys will have to let me know what you think of this one down in the comments below. Are there any other schools that I should do that you guys want to see? I do plan on ordering a few more of these blanks so that I can turn some more down and get them added to the website. So if you want to see that, make sure you stick around.